Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our new series, The Automated World, A Journey into Robotics.
Where we explore an invisible workforce, a journey from simple mechanization to a planet powered by intelligent autonomous systems.
To begin, we explore more than a machine, define the terms, and trace the history of the technology that is reshaping our age.
Next, we uncover the anatomy of a robot. Break down the anatomy of a robot, how they sense, think, and act.
Following that, we reveal the factory's nervous system that orchestrates our industrial world with perfect precision.
Afterward, we introduce the spark of intelligence, as AI gives machines the power to learn, predict, and adapt.
Moving forward, we examine from robotic surgeons to smart farms, automation is solving challenges everywhere.
We then connect the dots with the connected machine to discover how connected machines create a single collective intelligence.
We also address the human element, confront the greatest challenges, the ethics, the skills, and the future of work.
Looking ahead, we showcase Glimpse the Next Generation, soft, swarming, and bio-inspired robots.
Finally, we envision, look ahead to a vision of a truly autonomous planet.
Join us on a journey into the world of robotics. Understand the machines, their impact, and the future we are building together.
Subscribe to our channel, Tech, AI, and Beyond, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single episode of The Automated World, A Journey into Robotics.